Hi, let's look at this question together. Meg, Jo, and Beth share a sum of money. Beth has 3 times the amount of money than Jo have. The ratio of the amount of money that Beth had to the total amount of money Meg and Jo had was 4:5. Meg and Beth has $299 altogether. What was the sum of money shared by the three girls? Okay, obviously this is the ratio problem. So we write down whatever we know first. Okay, we use B to represent Beth and J and M to represent Joe and Meg at the same time. So the first thing we know is that Joe has 3 times the amount of money, as Beth has 3 times the amount of money that Joe has. So we keep this aside first. The reason is that we want to handle the slightly more challenging part. We say that the ratio of the amount of money that Beth has had 3 times to the total of Meg and Joe had was 4:5. So which means that if this is 4 unit, Beth is 4 unit, J plus M is 5 unit. Okay, so now we know the second thing is that B has 3 times more than J. So if you want B, must be 3 times more than J. Okay, so we want it to write B in such a way where it's easy to divide by 3 so that later on we can fill in the J value. So in this case, the easiest way is actually multiply by 3. So B we multiply by 3, 4 multiplied by 3 we get 12, 5 multiplied by 3 we get 15. Now we can fulfill the second condition to say that B is 3 times more than J. So we take 12 divide by 3, we can put 4U here. Okay, and if this is for U, remember J plus M is 15. So if this is for U, M has to be 11. Okay, so the ratio between B, J, and M is 12, 4, and 11. Total, there is 27 U. Okay, next, we know that M and J, M and Beth, Meg and Beth had $299 altogether. So which means that B plus M is equal to 299. So it's 12U plus 11U give you 23U, and U is equal to $13. So the total amount of money that they have is 27U, which we calculated here. So 27 times $13 is $351. Hope that helps.